Hey y'all, hey, let me tell you a few reasons why I can't live without the amenities in my condo building. Y'all know, in this co-living situation, Wendy and I share a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment for the equivalent of $1,200 USD per month. But as beautiful as our space is, sometimes you just need to get out and get a different environment for your creative juices to start flowing. And sometimes that means you need a different kind of co-working space. And that's why I love my apartment complex. There are so many different ways and places that I can set up camp. And yeah, it's a little bit noisy this morning. We're going to go on the roof and see what the heck is going on. But at the end of the day, I have options without having to leave my complex, leave my home to get some work done or get those creative juices flowing. I could have some Zen-like experiences while I'm working on my Back to the Water swim retreat coming up in August. We're going to San Andreas, Colombia. Or whether I'm working on new YouTube videos to show you just how wonderful life is outside of the United States. So with that being said, I wanted to share some of my in-house, so to speak, spaces for creativity and Zen. Come on, follow me. Well, the first thing is the 32nd floor lounge, which is just phenomenal. If I wanted to have a meeting here, if I wanted to do interviews here, I can actually reserve this space so that it is all mine. Yes, the first hour would be free of charge. And after that, there would be a nominal charge per hour to use it. But I'm telling you, wouldn't you love to have this space to be able to create, to think? Sometimes I just come in here, I put my headphones on, I listen to a couple of videos for inspiration, I look outside and see the view. It is just absolutely breathtaking. It's always clean. And what I want to say to y'all is I wish you could smell it in here. The intentional smells, which they keep going 24/7. This place smells divine. And just check it out. Check it out. So this is the 32nd floor lounge area. Now we're going outside. And again, there is some noise. They're working upstairs. And there's a lot of construction going on in this area. We are in the Rama IV area. But check this out. This is additional space where I can just come up here and relax. The views are amazing. In the distance, you can see the river. And, it's just a vibe. It is. So there are people who will tell you that the amenities, if you can get away from the amenities, then you could save some money. And that is very true. But having an outdoor kitchen area, having this outdoor lounge area that I can call my own whenever I decide that I want to. This is the perfect setup to have, a little brunch soiree thing going on here, right? It's just absolutely breathtaking. So now I'm going to take you upstairs to the urban farm. And this is a beautiful space because, you can bring your yoga mat and come up here and do yoga. You can ground because there is nice green space out here. All right, so let's go outside. And again, this is the rooftop of the rooftop, and you can see how quiet it is up here. I thought the noise was coming from up here, but it's not. This is very peaceful, very Zen-like. And as you can see, it's privacy right now. Ain't nobody up here. Now, they do grow herbs, plants and things here, which they will call us downstairs on our phone and let us know that this is available whenever they pick them. But just real Zen space. Now I'm gonna go even higher because this is one of the buildings. Oh, I'm getting winded. This is one of the buildings that has a heliport. More Zen space. All right, I'm going to shut up and just let the views speak for themselves. Okay, so I'm in the elevator now, going down to 6, which is the most common area in my complex. So we'll take a look at where I set in and listen to music every once in a while when I don't want to be in the apartment. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this is 6, and on 6 there are really nicely decorated. Again, the intentional smells here, y'all, is crazy, insane. But look at how beautiful this 6th floor working area is. They got music playing in the background. So you've got all these little private, semi-private areas where you can get inspiration. You can just kind of woosah. Little hidden areas like right here in this corner. This is one of my favorites actually. And then of course, the playground, indoor playground for the children, as well as, y'all know, you've seen some video of us in the pool as well as in the gym. I mean, the bathroom, it's a whole vibe. There are showers in here. You're coming, you don't want to go home sweaty, you can take a shower here. And so yes, this makes it worthwhile for me. These are the things that I pay for, and I really do use them. So I'm just gonna walk through. There are people working out. We gotta get back in there. But the pool area is a vibe. And look at all the green space. So yeah, while you could spend less for a place that doesn't have these types of amenities, it's really what I wanted. Living here in Thailand, living in the city, actually. It's a vibe. Y'all already know this is one of my favorite places here, where I just sit, swing, minding my goddamn business. But anyway, I'm walking in a circle. So again, you can see the extent of the intentional seating and outdoor living areas. And again, this is on 6. Still outside, heading into another co-working space. Absolutely. And then, you know, just of course my lobby area, which is additional green space still yet. So as I enter my building, you know, there are beautiful spaces to sit and enjoy. There's always calm music playing here. And for me, living in the city, this is like an oasis, because this is really my first time living in a city, and I needed as much zen and outdoor experience as I could possibly get without having to leave my apartment. And again, this is all in my condo. So if you come to visit, we might even have, a couple of drinks here. And it just makes for a very welcoming space. There are bathrooms on every level that I showed you. So if I'm having guests, you don't necessarily need to come up to my apartment. We can sit down here, we can chop it up, we can kiki and all things while being in a very zen-like environment. So that's why, this particular condo really, really worked for me. Needing to have this additional outdoor space is just everything. Being able to come home to this every day is just an absolute joy. And the breeze hits me before anything else, the sounds, the smells. And then when I really am feeling lazy, I just come down here and go into the bagel shop, which is right through here, and get me some bagels at Dots. If you got one of these, you're in a good building. Tub and everything. Quick hits when you don't want to do a grab. So whether the amenities are important to you or not, they are important to me, and I enjoy every bit of them. And I hope that you've enjoyed this little tour that I gave you of the common space here in my building. Peace.